Hello everyone! Welcome to the very first lesson of the Findar Academy. What is Findar? I hope you find this video and the entire series helpful and that you learn a lot. I can't wait to get into it with you. Findar is a tool that's been designed to help make your life easier. So how do we make life easier? We do so using the Findar Platform. The Findar Platform consists of 3 different systems: Findar Manager, Findar Tech, and Findar Consumer. And I'm going to go into a little detail about each one of them. Findar Manager is the headquarters of the entire Findar platform. You can't use Findar without using Findar Manager. So the very first step in joining Findar is signing up with Findar Manager. In lesson 4, I'll show you how to join Findar. So what can Findar Manager do? Why is it so important? Well, it's the system that manages all Findar systems, Findar Consumer and Findar Tech. It's here where you can manage your teams or employees, you can create a client database, you can view a history of the jobs you've done in the past, you can manually add jobs into Findar, you can track your employees during jobs to see where they are, you receive leads from consumers from here, and so much more. We're constantly working to try and make Findar Manager better. Currently, we're busy developing an estimating and quoting system. We're working on contracts that automatically form part of your estimate for you. We have lots of exciting things to look forward to. I'm going to be going into more depth with Findar Manager in lesson 2, so look out for that. That is a super important lesson. Okay, so what is Findar Tech? Findar Tech is the app that your technician will download. So this app is for the person that is actually out and about in the field physically doing the job. If you just think back to the previous slide, we were saying that you can track your technician, view a history of your past jobs. These are things that we do through your technician having the Findar Tech app. You can allocate your tech jobs from Findar Manager, either ones you've added yourself or ones that you've gotten from consumer leads. Your tech can then see which jobs he or she has scheduled for the day. They can view information of the job. They can chat with you and the client within the job. They get pushed to Google Maps when they start the job. You can then track your technician, and the consumer, if applicable, can track them too. It really is an incredibly helpful tool for both you and your technician. Okay, lastly, in the Findar platform, we have Findar Consumer. I'm not going to go into too much information about this one because you as the service providers won't be physically using it. So, Findar Consumer allows the consumer to choose a service provider that they need, let you know what their problem is, add some photos, their location, and a date and time that would suit them. All this information then goes out to you and you get to tender on this job. Right, so how do we use all these tools together? Findar Manager and Findar Tech can be used in isolation of Findar Consumer. This function here is very powerful. You can run a lot of your company's functions just from these 2 tools. Findar Consumer can obviously only be used if Findar Manager and Findar Tech are being used. We'll discuss in detail how to use Findar Manager and Findar Tech as a management system in the next lesson, and then how to involve the consumer in the lesson thereafter. See you in the next one.